Okay, you just heard there the Congress raising objections to the budget, saying that what's the ground reality versus the issues that were raised. None of it was addressed, is their contention. But let's get you more breaking news coming in. A reaction from Prime Minister Modi, who's hailed the budget 2026, saying that this budget empowers the poor, the farmers, the youth and women. Prime Minister Modi highlighting how the budget is focused particularly on Atmanirbhar Bharat, on a self-reliant India, and also on the other big pitch of Make in India. So he said that the budget that's been presented earlier today by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman focused largely on these two aspects of Atmanirbharta and Make in India, and giving an active push to these two campaigns by the government. He's also highlighted that this is a budget that focuses on empowering youth, which in fact Nirmala Sitharaman had said when she said that this is a Yuva Shakti budget. He's highlighted how it empowers the poor, the farmers as well as women. Just to highlight really on the issue of Nari Shakti, which is something that the government constantly speaks of. You had the finance minister also highlighting steps being taken to help women entrepreneurs, to help them in not just funding but in other steps as well. Also speaking about Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, you had the step being taken by the government of announcing one girls' hostel in every district now of the country. So those are just some of the steps that the government has taken, announced in this budget. Let's play out for you what the Prime Minister said.
हमारी सरकार ने गरीबों और मध्यम वर्ग को सस्ता और अच्छा इलाज देने में बहुत ध्यान दिया है। पिछले 11 सालों में बहुत सारी दवाएं सस्ती की गई है। गरीबों को और बुजुर्गों को मुफ्त इलाज की सुविधाएं दी गई है। इस बजट में इसी संवेदनशीलता के साथ और भी महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय लिए गए हैं। कैंसर के इलाज को और सस्ता करने के लिए अनेक कैंसर दवाओं को और सस्ता किया गया है।